former DGP Vikram Singh, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh Vikram Singh is joining us on the phone line. Mr. Vikram Singh, good morning. Horrific, people who we refer to as Cove idiots. I don't know whether you've seen this visual, horrific visual of a youth trying to run over a police officer who's hanging on to his life on a bonnet during a routine check in Jalandhar. Former DGP Vikram Singh on the phone line. Mr. Vikram Singh, your response to this?
I have a fair idea of what must have happened, and I strongly condemn this act of irresponsibility and a criminal act of attacking an officer in uniform, coming as it does shockingly after ASI Harjinder Singh lost his arm, and this too is a backdrop and indicative of what irresponsible people can think and do not have a second thought on attacking our Corona warriors and our guardian angels. I would strongly recommend the most drastic action against these irresponsible people so that a deterrent and a clear message, unambiguous message goes down to everyone that a no-nonsense approach is there for those who decide to attack our Corona warriors. And this must be exemplary action taken today itself, not tomorrow, not only against the substantive sections of the IPC like 332 or 307, but also the National Security Act and the MACOCA.
Yeah, Mr. Vikram Singh, this is happening across India. Let me tell you a few incidents that have happened in the last 48 hours. 2 attacks in Gujarat. There have been several attacks by a political party in Hyderabad. Without making it political, I'm telling you that this is happening under the patronage of some political parties as well. And, we've seen 2 attacks in Punjab and both have been caught on camera. In Mumbai, where I'm reporting from, we have seen another attack on police officers, and it's not the first time. So, it is happening, but enough action. Do you think enough action is being taken, Mr. Vikram Singh?
Has started being taken in UP and also in Punjab. But what needs to be done? The scale of 1 is to 10, I would say that 4 out of 10, yes, we have been able to. Now it has to be taken as something like the attack on the nation. These guardian angels are actually oxygen to the entire population, and if we are depriving the people of oxygen, we are doing a disservice, and therefore it should be taken as you fight coronavirus, you should fight those who are attacking our corona warriors too on the same war footing.
Yeah, Dr. Vikram Singh, let's see where the story goes. Hope more states also take action to ensure that they set an example, especially when political parties must, ruling establishments, political parties, in some cases, without getting into the details, we will, get the details in a short while from now. But there have been cases when political parties have and their representatives have themselves attacked police officers, and we'll get you those pictures as well. But these are the pictures in Punjab, the 2 attacks that have taken place in the course of the last few weeks. On the left of your screens, the attack in Patiala, ASI Harjit Singh. Now that's a car. That's a car with Nihangs who are inside the car, got out of the mandi. They broke through the barricades, got out of the car, pulled out swords, attacked the police officer. ASI Harjit Singh lost his wrist, had to undergo reconstructive surgery. Thankfully, he's on the road to recovery. On the right of your screens, in Jalandhar, the visuals this morning of a Cove idiot trying to run over a police officer, a COVID hero, while he hangs on to his dear life on top of a bonnet.